everybody, this is Everyday Penny Productions, and as you saw in our last video, we ordered the rest of the stuff we needed for our VR headset, and Zach made sure that he helped me out. He bought the rest of the stuff, and
I paid for this. This is the VR camera.
Yeah.
And this is the joysticks that I also paid for.
Yeah.
It's pretty expensive.
So we paid even now, and they all got here. Okay, so we got everything here now, and we're gonna unbox it. Okay, box number one is the VR headset itself. I know this because I could tell.
Because of the label.
Yeah.
Does it have a picture on the box?
Picture?
It has just the tag.
I'll see. All right. So.
Earbuds.
Okay, so there's a box inside of the box. Here it is. Just get it closer up to the camera. Here you go. Box. Very nice. And we've got these things we love. Zach, go ahead and pop those later.
These are newer. I've never seen these kinds before.
I'm going to open this now.
These ones are friendly. These ones seem to be
very tapey.
Earth friendly.
Okay. Okay. This is very nice. Love it already. Look at this. No, not yet.
Yeah, go ahead. Just go model it.
I want to model it.
Yeah, put on Zach. He's shorter.
Okay. I'm doing it.
But you said put that on Zach. You look like a totally new person.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, that's the headset.
I want to try
Sure, go ahead. Please don't mess it up. Here, let me help you.
I don't think it needs to be extended on me. It's messing up my locks.
Yes. Okay.
Wow, I see everything black.
So, okay. We've got a lot more stuff. Got that. I don't know what it is.
You tangled yourself in the wire.
Okay. We've got more wires.
Wow, more wires.
More wires.
Oh my god, so many wires.
And instructions.
I'm
Okay.
putting box number 1.
Okay. Box number 2. I believe, yep, these are the controllers. These, I'm guessing, aren't going to be as hard to set up because they're little tiny controllers. And by the way, Zach has given birth to little bag hands on his hands. Very distracting. Okay, I don't know how to open this, so...
That works. You almost opened it perfectly.
Okay. Wow, these are bigger than I expected.
Actually, they're kind of the same size as I thought they would be.
Wow, I thought they would be a little smaller. But here's number 1. They're going to be the same. Very nice. They feel very nice.
I can't tell because I have bad hands. Oh, there's these little plugs.
Recharge them?
Oh no, these are wrist. These hold them on your wrists. So when you play like a cooking game or a scary game, they don't just fly out of your hands.
Oh, and instructions. More instructions. So that's useful. That's package number 2. Let's go to package number 3.
I no longer have any bag hands, but this time I'm cutting this.
Yeah.
And also there's a little dog on this, little
No.
dog.
Wrong way.
Oh yeah, wrong way.
I am worried because it's my knife. I don't care about the safety. Dude, stop. Okay, you don't have privileges anymore. Wow, this one's hard. Okay. Don't need this knife anymore. Closed.
Here's the airbags I'm kind of used to.
Oh yeah.
They're pretty big.
Put them down there for later.
And this is the camera.
Camera. Yay. That was loud.
Here's a camera wall mount, but I don't think we need to mount it to any walls.
Here, bring it up.
Let me just
The
take off
camera.
the tag.
Very
So-
nice, fancy. Oh, and look, shows everything you need.
Oh wait, does it?
Okay.
Wait, does it say you need the headset and the?
It just shows pictures of it.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Okay, so. All right,
That's what
the
I
grand reveal.
Dun, dun.
Dun. Zach, come here.
That wouldn't be copyrighted because we are doing it.
Okay. Here it is.
Instructions?
More instructions, obviously.
I doubt
Always
we
need those,
Doubt we ever use them.
but we use them. Okay.
Oh my.
Oh, it comes with a mount. Oh, look at this. Wait, can this? Oh, that's
Give me a
cool.
second. Come on.
Is that a stand?
Oh, look at this, Jack. Wait, Jack, look at this. Yeah, look at the stand. Look at the stand. It goes like this. You
Okay.
can go like this.
Oh.
You can go like this, too.
Did it.
Right,
I
It's,
unboxed
it's
it.
flexible. Very nice. Flexible stand.
I'm guessing you put it right here. Nope, right
Okay.
here. And it should be like that.
Okay, and what would the camera be used for exactly?
I think it monitors where you're standing and then positions you in the game in the right spot.
And with the controllers. It syncs with the controllers, I think.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure what it does.
Okay, so what's your next step go be, guys?
Set it
Setting
up.
it up.
This is going to take a while, so we'll meet you when we're done.
We can't do time lapse.
Okay, we got this all set up.
Oh my god.
I'm really okay. So we got this all set up.
Where's
Zach
the
is gonna
TV?
try first. Click X. It's good. How's that look?
Oh my god.
Ah. Oh.
You okay there, Zach?
I can see kind of a glare of the window.
Yeah.
Oh, when it turns completely black, you can just see the inside of the headset.
Tell me about your purchase.
It was so exciting when we bought
And
it. We
expensive.
knew it was gonna get here so fast.
Oh, I can kind of see the loading screen. Ooh.
Okay. It cost around $300.
Set with a bargain because we got the headset used.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why are the hands like this? Oh, there we go. Why aren't they working correctly? They're just sticking in position. Wait.
You're holding them the right way.
Yeah, but they're just glitching. Oh.
Yeah, you need to hold them like this. That's how you do it to make your hands.
Oh. Oh my god. I'm in the table. Oh my god. That
Hurry up before Foxy jump scares you. He starts moving.
So what game did you buy?
Continue.
You don't need to press. You don't need to press. Just hover over it. You gotta get closer.
It won't. It's not working. It's not working. It's not working.
Hold on. Look down. Okay, it worked.
Oh,
You gotta move around this way. Wait, never mind.
this is candy. Wait, I gotta hold it like this.
Can you hear?
Yeah.
Like, can you hear like in the headset?
Yeah, I can. Oh my god. What?
I dare you to start a night.
Oh god, no.
Take it off, you get scared. I really want to try this. You can do it. Yep, he's done. No. No. Okay. All right, it's my turn. I don't know if I'm gonna be as scared as Zach. Oh.
I want to see you get jump scared, Jack.
Oh my god, that's
Yeah,
creepy.
you gotta use your left hand. And your controllers are
Whoa, I'm short. Why am I so short?
because you have to lower your head, so now you're short.
I didn't lower my head.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to be that short because those things are 8 feet tall.
Oh. Mom, can you see him following me?
No.
Can I beep his nose?
Nope.
I know, I hear walking. Get me out of here.
Press any button. Now use your left hand, or right hand. Right hand works.
I'm gonna do the night. Oh.
Oh, he scared you, didn't he? Because you already have some progress in this game off, like without the headset.
Oh, this is so scary.
And Jack, your controllers are pink and red right now.
What are you doing there, Jack?
I'm throwing a ball. Can you see it on my screen? You see the basketball?
Yep. We see it.
What is this? My controller's stuck.
Flip it to the side.
Give me it. Please. I want it back. Can't get it.
Okay, and then what was Zachary's contribution? How much did Zachary spend on this endeavor?
I don't know.
I spent half, and he spent half. He got the headset. I got the other stuff: the game, the controllers, and the camera.
I have a
Okay.
fan now.
So the game was how much?
The game was 35.
Okay, the controllers
I think were 100.
and the
And
camera?
were 75.
75?
And the camera was 60.
Oh, I've had problems with these things.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
he played. Yeah, it doesn't even fit in there. Oh my god, that's how big it is.
so you guys worked hard.
Jesus.
You
that
used
thing's
some
big.
saved money. You did some shopping. You got the headset at a bargain. And now you have what you wanted.
I ate it.
Excuse me?
I ate it.
Are you happy with your purchase?
Yeah,
You-
very happy.
You realize that that money is gone now forever because you purchased.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see this thing over here and I keep thinking it's you. Mom, do you see that on my screen?
Your hand?
No, that thing in front of me.
No,
It's green. It has purple eyes.
I don't see it at all.
You don't see it? Look over there.
Well, that's a bunny rabbit.
Yeah.
You think that's me?
Yeah, I thought that was
All right, let me
It's
see.
Spot.
Go back to the screen. Let me see if it's me if I move.
Right there.
No, see, it's not. I'm moving and it's not moving. Are you punching it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, who wants to wrap up this video?
Me. This concludes our video and our personal management merit badge project. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our latest videos.